Hey guys, this is Deep and you're watching Technical Deep YouTube channel. So in this video we are going to discuss about how can we build a very low budget PC for those who want to use a personal computer in their day-to-day work. So let's get started. So for this we are going to open the Flipkart application in our smartphone. I am recording this video with the help of my smartphone. So I have listed a few components, some basic components that we need for our PC build this time around in 2022. So this PC is going to be very basic. So if you are watching this video and if your budget is around like 12,000 or 11,000, this is the perfect video for you. So please watch till the end. So let's get started. So I will go to my cart, and the first thing that we need to watch out for is the processor. Yes, the processor is very important. So in this case I'm selecting a very old processor. It's called the Intel Core 2 Duo with Rs.775 with a 3 gigahertz and 1333 megahertz processor. So if we see the price of this processor, it's 550. Okay, so it's 550, and if I go to all details, you would see that it is a dual core processor with 6 MB of I think it's L2 cache maybe. But the problem with this processor is it's very old, and you will get a used processor. Maybe I haven't purchased it yet, but I think you will get a used processor. So in the sales package you will get one CPU. So it's 3 gigahertz clock speed. So this costs only about 550 rupees. Now this is the processor. Okay, Intel Core 2 Duo. So LGA 775, we have selected the motherboard of this processor as well. It's going to be the Zebronics G41 motherboard. It's the black version. You can see the pictures over here. If I zoom it, if you see the pictures of this G31D3 LGS socket 775 motherboard, and it looks like this, but you will get the black version of it. Okay, so the next one is we have to see the details. It also costs 2520 rupees with 55 rupees delivery fee. I will tell at the end of the video that how much exactly delivery fee you would need. So you are getting 1 year of brand warranty from Zebronics, and this is a micro ATX motherboard. Okay, so this is a micro ATX motherboard with a RAM capacity of 8 GB with a DDR3 support and Intel G41 rather, not G31. So in the sales package you will get Zebronics G41 motherboard with SATA cable and warranty card, and along with that it's LGA 775, and it will support up to 8 GB of RAM. Keep it in mind. And this is not for gamers, mind you. This is not for gaming purpose. This PC is for regular usage, for the users who want to use a PC in their daily life. That's it. So integrated graphics, you will get support up to 4 GB. That is the integrated graphics in this processor. That is we are selecting. That is the Core 2 Duo 3 gigahertz processor. It will support, this motherboard will support the integrated graphics of 4 GB. So you're getting 1 year of brand warranty. So here we have the 2520 rupees for this motherboard and 550 rupees for the processor. Next one is the heat sink. We have selected one of the cheapest heat sink. In this case it's called the Terabyte heat sink. These are the pictures you can see here. But this cooler has something which is really important. This cooler is particularly, I mean the heat sink is particularly used in computer centers. This is a very famous heat sink which are used in the computer centers. You can see over here, this is the heat sink. The plate you will get as well. This is particularly designed for the G41 motherboard with LGS775 socket. You can see over here, CPU fan LGS775 socket. So this will cost you around 299. So add those up, okay, and you will get 12,142. So we are going with the SSD here because we need SSD with this particular build. We need SSD. So the best budget SSD at the moment in Flipkart is the consistent CT SSD 128 GB all-in-one PCs. You can use this in all-in-one PCs and also in desktops. Free delivery, just 1,185 rupees. That's it. So 128 GB. So you can keep your operating system in this particular the particular SSD, and you can also use the hard drive later on as well. We are going to discuss about it as well. So this is from Consistent. So this is a very good SSD as well. You will get the warranty as a replacement. Okay, so this will cost you around 1185 rupees. And the next one is the Krista. This is the monitor that we are going to take, Krista 15-inch HD monitor, and this will cost you around 3399. So this PC build is with monitor, and you will get the replacement as well of this monitor. So the next one is the Consistent 500 GB desktop internal HDD. This is also from Consistent. It will cost you around 1475. You can also try it in the offline market as well. The computer stores around you can also find these components over there as well. So this is another one. So 1475, 500 GB of storage, that's more than enough, I think. And you will also get the SSD as well. The final component that we are going to pick for this PC build is the Artis 507 2.0 full tower cabinet with SMPS, and this will cost you around 2599. You can go for the cabinet and the monitor with the offline market. You can also go with the cabinet and the hard disk drive in the offline market. You will get it in a much lower price over there. So this one comes with comes with a 7-day replacement warranty, cash on delivery, and it's the Flipkart assured. And you can see the star of this particular cabinet. It's 4.5, and you will also get the 400 watts power supply unit, which is more than enough for this particular PC build. And also you will get the USB 2.0 support, not the USB 3.0. okay, so that is the picture of the power supply. Micro ATX board, that is perfectly all right, and this portion is for the ATX board, and this portion, you can see the color portion, this is for the micro ATX, and this one for the ATX board as well. So this is the DVD slot, this is a 1 SSD slot, there's a 4 HDD slot and 3 HDD slot. So plenty of place in this particular thing. This chassis that we call, it's of the steel brand as well, I mean material. So with all these things combined, you will get around 12,142. But I'm telling you that if you are trying to purchase this kind of a PC, go with offline market, but you won't find the processor. You can find the motherboard, but you cannot find the processor, because Kotu Duo is very obsolete at the moment, because it released back in 2006, then continued till 2009, 2010, but after that it got discontinued. So yeah, this is the PC build for low end users, those users who want to use the PC for just official work, and also for running some softwares like Microsoft Office Word or Microsoft Office Excel or PowerPoint or Access, trying some coding as well at very low level with the compilers. So this is a particular build that I will suggest you. And this is all I had for you all today. Hopefully you all enjoyed this video. Like this video, share with your friends, and I will see you all again in the next video. Till then, goodbye.